Hi there, my lovelies. This is Jana and Nico. Welcome to our kitchen. So today we're going to make something so delicious and so simple, guys. I had to share with you. It's a strawberry mousse, but it doesn't have any bananas, okay? Because I know that you guys sometimes are, okay, we love it, but no more bananas, please. No, you don't need to worry. It's something better than bananas, all right? And I promise you, you're going to get addicted. So let me show you how I put it together. Now we're going to add the cashews to a small pot with water, and we're going to simmer them for 5 minutes until they are soft, and they will blend better this way. Drain the cashews, add it to a blender, along with the strawberries. Now you're going to add vegan milk. I'm using here coconut milk because for this recipe is so delicious. The sweetener of your choice, and some xanthan gum for add thickness to the recipe. A small piece of beetroot for the pink color. Now you're going to put it in the individual containers or in a big one if you want to make like family style. You can decorate it with some extra chopped strawberries or whatever fruit of your choice because it goes well with anything. You can also be a little bit of a daredevil and a savage and add a little thin layer of chocolate ganache. I have a few recipes over here. Or white chocolate ganache as well. I mean, you're going to love it. It's delicious. I hope you make it. It looks a little bit orange on camera, but the color is much prettier in person. It's so good. And it's like a mousse. It has these little pockets of air away from him. He decided to join the video. So you guys are not going to go crazy, okay? Yes, it's a cat. It's his house, it's their house. They allow me to live here rent-free, so they are the kings and queens. And I just live here to serve them because cats, you know, right? And so guys, I hope you love this recipe as much as I do. I think it's really special. Let me tell you something, kids love it. They love it, and we adults love it as well, okay? Nutritious. No nastiness. I mean, why not make that for kids instead of buying all that at the supermarket, you know? Even when it's vegan, you know, I mean, you know exactly what is inside. And all what is inside, it goodness, nutrition, and a lot of love. So if you want to print this recipe, go to my website. It's going to be linked over here. And follow me on my social media. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Have a wonderful week. Bye bye. Say bye, Nico. Nico saying bye.